Hi everyone, welcome back to Jen's Hangout. Today is the day. What am I talking about? Today is Lippie Day. Today is the day I'm going to show you guys what my beauty space looks like. It is a mess. I've cleaned up a little bit, but I thought I'm going to let you guys see it in its natural state. Why? Because we're going to go through my lippies at the same time. So grab a drink, grab a snack, because this one's going to take a minute. If you're new here, thank you for joining me on this crazy journey of mine. My shirt in the camera looks like it's filthy up here, but it's not. Probably coat of hair. Anyway, so you're going to get a glimpse of my space, and then so give me a minute and I'm going to kind of reposition stuff. I am going to bring everything here to do the lippie declutter and go through because I have them everywhere, and you'll see that when I show you. So let's get started. Okay, so we're headed into my beauty space. I'm going to show you. Okay, here we go. So this is my beauty space. Miss Coda's over there. So whenever you don't mind the floor, she makes a mess of the floor like within 2 seconds of me vacuuming it. But whenever I'm talking to her, that's where she is. But anyway, so this is where my empties bin is. I just kind of toss everything and it holds my door open. But anyway, and then we come in here. You guys can see my background. But this is like, I have eyelashes in the top two, and then in the bottom drawer is hair dye. So that's why that Lunar Tides box is there. It's waiting to go in there. And then this is all my sheet masks and stuff. These are palettes, eyeshadow palettes. This is eyeshadow palettes. This is face palettes. Face palettes and bronzers. That's lippies. Literally the entire top drawer is lippies. So you'll see that in a second. This is all lippies. This is my new makeup in. Haven't opened. Need to go through and test out and all that stuff. I have more makeup in here. Like here is like eyeliners and brow products. This is extra foundations in here. And then on the other side, in the drawer, it has a drawer just like this one, is mascara. So I have some more palettes there. Those are my custom palettes. And then my Alter Ego Metropolis dupe palette. And then these are more this is skincare. You can see this drawer is all of my Norvina palettes and some indie palettes and some other palettes. Then the bottom drawer is wig stuff. And then over here, this is foundation and powder. This is primer and setting spray. And then facial sprays and toners and stuff like that are over there. Over here comes Orion. Kind of give you a perspective on how big they are. There you go. That's, most people know how big those 3 drawer dressers are. Well, that's him. Orion, you're in my space. Thank you. Can you move? Can you move, please? Thank you. We're trying to be professionals here. Okay, so I'm going to sit down. Okay, and then I have... This is lip balms and things like that. And then my beauty fridge has my skincare. This is the extra essence from sheet masks. And then I have my vitamin C and caffeine stuff is in there. And then my eye gels. So, more lippies. This is all my concealers that I have, which is a lot. Okay, and then pencil sharpeners. These are the jelly shadows, and then some Lele Posh Sugar Babies. These are all lip liners. Told you I have a lippy problem. These are all brow products, concealers, and eye primers. Eye primers. Eye primers. Perfumes. This is all liquid shadows and cream shadows. My very messy, that's a mess right now. Usually that's just where I keep like my rag and tape and stuff like that in my calendar. Okay, all my brushes are here. This is all eyeliners. Then there's more lippies here. See, I told you I have tons of lippies everywhere. So these are more lippies. More brushes. Hello. These are cards and odd little skincare things. More lippies. See, I told you. Open mascaras that I have going right now. And a Whiny Orion. Super Shock Shadows. That's what is in these drawers. These are highlighters that I currently use the most. Then more Super Shock Shadows. And then some more brushes. These are my fancy bling brushes. And She Glam brush. So, I'm going to pause you for a second and we'll get into the lippies. I forgot to show you my lighting setup and how I've got it set up. If you guys want to see that really. There's my big ring light. This is on a big tripod. This is where I set my camera. And then there's my computer. I'm watching Christine. And I have Alice going as well. And then this is a clip ring light that I have. That was my original one. And it just comes down and clips on my table. So that's my setup for all of that. Okay, so now that you guys have had a little bit of a tour, we're going to do the lippy declutter. Holy crap, this is like a lot. So I have 4 of these Lele's, and I'm not going to get rid of them. 2 of them are almost identical. One is a metallic and one is not. And the only thing I don't like about them is that they don't have labels on them, you know, as to what the names are. But these aren't that old. So we're keeping these. I just got this one. This is that lip plumper from Beauty Creations. And holy moly, does she plump. So hold on. There's probably going to be lots of interruptions. I totally spaced what night it is. It's Halloween night. So Andy's working. So I'm not doing anything. And there's trick-or-treaters out there. Anyway, I just got this one in my Ipsy bag. So these ones are brand new. I haven't even swatched them and I don't know if I'm going to. Like this one is just like the Gerard Cosmetics, and I think I have a similar color in here. So if they're brand new, they're going to go into the giveaway bin. And yeah, I do. Like, I think the one that I pulled out actually is pretty identical. Like, here's the Gerard Cosmetics that I have on my lips. Those are pretty identical, but it has a mirror on it. And these are really handy, and they light up. So, or at least it's supposed to. Oh, I think this one clicks. Yeah, this one clicks. See. So I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway box. And let one of you guys enjoy it. And then there's this one, because I have so many lippies in there. I mean, like, I was not kidding when I said that that entire top drawer is full of lippies. And you guys saw all these other lippies. Okay, and then there's this one. This is such a gorgeous color. And I think I did swatch it. I did. It is stunning. I love that color. So, even though I think like right here with this Lele. Oh, it's raining. Yeah, they're almost identical. So that's okay though. It's okay. So I am going to take it out of the box then, since I'm going to keep it. This one, I think, is a lip balm. I don't know. No, it is a lip gloss. It's a hydrating lip gloss. That I did get in an Ipsy bag, and it's brand new. I know I haven't swatched it. And it's that beautiful purpley mauve color. But I think it's going to go into, for you guys, because like I said, I have so many. So many. This is Rosebud Lips Overnight Conditioning Lip Mask. Oh my gosh, this one I definitely is going to go to you guys, because I have a ton of lip masks. And it even has a safety seal. We like those safety seals. They're wunderbar. Okay, so these 3 are going into the giveaway box. But I'm going to leave them here on my table, so we know how many we're getting rid of. Because that's the point, right? Okay, so these can go back over. This is where they were. So I haven't put them away yet. Okay, so let's get into these Gerard Cosmetics ones. Pretty sure I have duplicates of these. Oh, see, look. Here's hiding a Jeffree Star. That can go right there. I could have sworn I had another Jeffree Star, but it can go right there with the Jeffree Star lippies. Okay, I'm going to pull some of these out as well, because these, I have pencils in here, and I think they are eyeliner pencils. I think you can use them for whatever. The melt ones, I know you can. Okay. I got stuff falling everywhere. There. Okay. Hi, handsome boy. Hi. Hi. You come to say hi to the people? Yeah, let's say hi to the people. Okay. So, these are all Gerard Cosmetics. Oh, these 2, I know. I'm getting rid of these. Okay, these are those NYX ones. These, like, peel. So you'll put them on, right? And you'll let them dry and let them dry and let them dry and let them dry and let them dry. And then you'll go to put the clear on top of them. And only the clear is supposed to come off. These suck. And I'm probably the only person that is going to say that. Because, did I even try this one? No, like this one's brand new. Did I try it? Yeah, I did. Like, see, watch. You'll let it dry. I'll show you. But they suck. They absolutely suck. They peel. They're horrible. And patchy. Look at how patchy that wine colored one is. So patchy. I don't recommend. So these are trash. Trash. I need to get a new garbage bag for the trash. So give me a second. I'm going to get trash set up.